Hello! It's again a beautiful day, sun is shining bright in Iroland. Let's go see what this sound was all about. Hello Eero babies, welcome to the Eero kitchen. Now, I'm gonna record this and I hate to record this because I cry every time I cut onions. But let's go straight into it. Oh my God. Just in case. Someone watching this, maybe you are the winner of this sound. We know that most of you are not getting it right. But don't worry, there's a new sound every time it gets guessed. So the next one might be you. Maybe next time I'm saying hi, it's actually you who guessed the sound correctly. So let's keep trying. Just as in life, it's all about keeping swimming. Comment and subscribe and get 4 lives.